Examination can be sometimes everything for a particular aspirant of class 10th and 12th board examination. But what if they don't get good grades for which they have hoped for? So, just to remove the examination fear and for practice, CBSE Pariksha we have launched for classes 10th and 12th respectively. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Examination can be sometimes everything for a particular aspirant of class 10th and 12th board examination. It is when they have worked hard for it. But what if they don't get good grades for which they have hoped for? So, just to remove the examination fear and for practice, we at Rachna Sagar Private Limited, under the brand name Together With, have launched CBSE Pariksha pre-board papers for 2024 for classes 10th and 12th respectively. So here you can have a look. I'm having CBSE Pariksha pre-board papers for 2024 for chemistry subject. Right. So here in this particular envelope, you will find three sets of question papers based on sample paper released by CBSE on March 31st, 2023, as well as you will receive one answer book in this particular envelope. This envelope will be sealed when you receive it or when you purchase it from your nearest bookseller, right? After this, you have to take out all the sets from this envelope. Set 1, set 2 and set 3. So this is set 1. After this, you will find set 2 and then you will find set 3 over here. This is based on the sample paper released by board on 31st March 2023, as well as you will receive one sample answer book also like this. So one sample answer book. Here you will have a fair idea how to write, how to appear or how to fill all the particulars in the board examination. Right? So like this I'm going to show you. Okay, so just to remove the examination fear and for practice, this CBSE Pariksha pre-board papers for 2024 will help you a lot for the final practice. Thank you.